Alright, welcome back. On this episode, I'll be showing you how you can make money online. That's what I did on this platform. This is a crypto bond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you like the video and share it to your friends and family. Let's go to this video. So it's all about Payoneer. So most of you may know what's going on Payoneer, but I'm about to tell you something very new that you don't know, that most of you don't know. But before I go to this Payoneer website to show you what I have for you today, let me go to this place first. This is the highlight of what I have for you today. This is Payoneer Referral Program Overview. Features, details. I say referral program 25%, $25, 25 USD for you and 25 USD for your referral. This is very good. Both of you will gain. Like I make $25, you also make $25. It's very easy to make money on the platform. You can make, I can make. There's no partial in this. Eligible to refer. Who are eligible to refer? Like if you are competent, like if you can do this, so must have received 1000 USD plus to Pioneer account. So if you haven't received 1000 Pioneer account, you won't be able to participate in the referral program. So your friend's requirement is must receive 1000 in payment after signing up. So if you haven't signed up with them and you haven't received 1000 plus after signing up, you won't be able to get this 25 USD account. And as we are going on, Payoneer is for the people who have been using it before, because if you just open the account, you won't be able to get the referral until you make a transaction up to 1000 USD on the account. That's how it goes. So reward timeline, paid within 3 months after friends meet criteria. Payment method, credited directly to your Payoneer USD balance. Very easy, to your balance. They will add it to your balance. If you're having 50 before, that will be 75 because you will receive 25 bonus. So how to share? Via referral link. I will show you this via referral link, email, social media blog. I will show you how you can copy your referral link from their website. Important note, so friend must sign up with your unique link to qualify. So I'll paste my link in the description below. Make sure you use my link to sign up so you can get some bonuses for yourself, and I will also get 25 USD. I also like money. So important note, friend must sign up. Okay, we have said that. Program restriction not available to user in Turkey. Sorry Turkey, my Turkish, they are not available in your country. So let's go to your website. This is how you can sign up. After you click the link in the description below, so it will bring you to this interface. As you can see, freelance business marketplace. You don't know that. What you need is register. Click on the register button, input your name, your last name, your phone number, your working email, register bonus name, website address, your country. Tell us more about your business. You can leave it. So you can just, I'm receiving overseas payment only, I'm sending overseas payment only, I'm receiving anyone. So you input, I would like to receive, if you like, if you want to. This is not compulsory. But all the other one are compulsory. This one is not compulsory. No, I do not want to receive. This one is, you want to receive like email on their promotion, their event, their product, like following up email. So just click on next. After you complete your registration, thank you for submitting your information. Please continue to registration. This is what it will bring. So you have to choose one. Is your business registered with any government, business license or tax authority? So just choose one. If you know is your business registered, click yes. If it's not registered, you know what to do. No. So this is the account I just opened on Payoneer. So some may be listening like, how can I refer? Where can I get my referral link? So this is where you can get your referral link. Click on this manage. Scroll down. Business with work. Businesses you with work. Your one businesses you work with. Sorry. So refer your network. Click on it. Boom. This is it. Refer your network and grow, because you have to have used the account. You have to have received money to the account before you can get your referral link. And as you all know, I'm just I'm just opening the account now. That I just create the account now. So I haven't received any money to the account. So that's it. I'll just put the link to Payoneer in the description. Just use it. I won't be getting any bonuses from you. And paste out. Sorry. Well, maybe before I upload the video, I may. That is me. I may put my referral link. But if I don't put my referral link, just use the link to sign up and get your bonuses. Refer to your friends and family. I wish you the best. But the thing is that make sure you do your own research before proceeding to this next step or before doing anything on the platform. I just want you to make money and be happy. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. This is it. Crypto bond. So make sure you search it, crypto bond 01. Subscribe, share to your friends and family. I'll see you on the next video.